Hi everyone, this is my sixth video. My name is Gaurav Kaur and my channel name is Biology Lover. So in the previous video I discussed about the uh, different types of teeth. Okay, on their basis of their sets or their shapes. Okay, so now I will discuss about the structure of tooth, means how a teeth can means how a teeth is we classify a teeth. It's a premolar, molar, incisor, or canine, anyone. Okay, so let's start. So in at first the teeth has three divisions. Okay, so the first one is crown, means the white part that is visible in teeth is called crown. The neck, second is the neck. Second one is neck. Okay, so the part which is underneath in the gum is called the neck part, and the third one is root part. The part which is embedded in the bones, the alveolar bone, which and the part of teeth which is fixed in the bone is called the root of the teeth. Okay, so now I draw a teeth and then we labeled and then we understand in details. Okay, so let's draw a teeth. So now we see a teeth. Okay, so the portion which is visible for us is called crown part. Okay, so from this part it's a white portion of teeth, it's called crown part. 1 minute. It's called crown part. Okay, and the portion which is underneath in the gums, this small part is called neck part of our teeth. Okay, so I write in this is neck part. Okay, and the portion which is embedded in the bone, the alveolar bone, this is alveolar bone. Okay, both of this and this also is alveolar bone. Alveolar bone. So this portion, from this to this portion is called root of teeth. Okay, this portion is called root of teeth. So now we understand in detail. Okay, so in the crown there is a hard substance is present for a whiteness of teeth. In the crown there is a inner layer is present. This inner layer is known as enamel. What is called enamel? This inner layer is called enamel. Okay. Yeah, and the opening of this is called means the portion which is opened is known as apical foramen. This portion is called apical foramen. So we come to enamel. Okay. So let's write about detail in enamel. Enamel. So enamel is the hardest substance in teeth. Hardest substance. Okay. It is secreted from ameloblast. This enamel is secreted from ameloblast. So it is secreted from ameloblast. Okay. So it is ectodermal in origin. Means enamel is ectodermal in origin. Ectodermal in origin. Okay. So the enamel is made up of calcium phosphate and fluorides. This enamel is made up of calcium phosphate and fluorides. It is made up of calcium phosphate and fluorides. Okay. So this fluorides or the calcium phosphate is chemically known as hydroxyapatite. The chemical name is hydroxyapatite. Okay, of this one. Okay. So this calcium phosphate and fluorides are chemically named as hydroxyapatite. Okay. So basically it has crystalline calcium phosphate. Okay. Basically it has crystalline calcium phosphate. It is essential means basically enamel is made up of calcium, but fluoride is essential. But if excess fluoride is poured, then it cause motility of the teeth. means it fall down or it affects the teeth. Uh, Fluoride is essential, but if it excess, if fluoride is excess, then it causes motility. Motility means if teeth is fall down or anything, means it causes disease of teeth. Okay, so our next layer in teeth is dentine. Okay, so our next layer is dentine. This is called dentine. Okay, and the dentine is origin from odontoblast. Okay, so the odontoblast are present in hair like this. So these are called odontoblast. So for dentine, it is secreted from, not origin, it is secreted from odontoblast. It is secreted from odontoblast. And it is as hard as enamel. Okay, it is, the hardness is similar to enamel. Enamel. Okay, and it is made up of calcium salt. Okay, so it is made up of calcium salt. It is mesodermal in origin, means dentine is mesodermal in origin. Okay, so it is mesodermal in origin, but enamel is ectodermal in origin and dentine is mesodermal in origin. Okay, so our last, means our third layer is pulp cavity. So the space, this space is called pulp cavity. Okay, this space. Pulp cavity. Okay, and the and this space, the teeth and the bone where they joined. This space is called cementing layer. This space is called cementing layer. Cementing layer. And this layer, I write it in blue. Wait. This layer, only this, or this, only this and this. These two layers are called predental membrane. Are called predental membrane. Okay. So our third one is pulp cavity. Okay. So it is living, means it surrounded the teeth in inner part. That's why it is living. It is living. And it is filled with blood vessels and connective tissues, nerves. So we draw some blood vessels, nerves. Okay. So here we write it is filled with blood vessels, connective tissue, nerves, etc. Okay, so our next video is on tongue. Okay, so in detail we discussed about the tongue in the next video. Thank you.